Now children, 10th question. Two persons would fit new windows in a house in 3 days. If two people are working, the work will finish by 3 days. Okay. So the first question. One of the persons fell ill before the work started. How long would the job taken now? Okay. So two people were there. If two people are there, the work will finish by 3 days. One of the person fell ill means how many is left? Only one person is there. If one person is working, within how many days it will finish? That is the first question. Okay, we'll solve the first question. Let x, we don't know how many days it will take. So, number of persons equal to 2 means the number of days taken will be 3. If number of persons equal to 1, that is one person fell ill. So, 2 were total, one felt ill means only leftover is 1. So, 1 means how many days it will take. So, when the number of people increases, the work will be done sooner. So, when one is increasing, the other is decreasing. So, what proportion? It is inverse proportion. So, multiplication 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into x. So, x value is equal to 2 into 3, 6. Okay, let us see that. Now, 2 into 3 equal to 1 into x, x value equal to 6. Okay, so one person will finish within 6 days. Okay, now let us read the second question. How many persons would be needed to fit the windows in 1 day? If the work should be finished by 1 day, how many people are needed? That is the question. Okay, let us see the solution now. Now, let x persons will fix the window in 1 day. We don't know how many people are needed to finish within 1 day. So, number of persons equal to 2 means the days taken is 3. Look at the tabular column. Number of persons is 2 means the days taken is 3. If the work should be finished within 1 day, we don't know how many people. So, we have written as x. So, this also it is inverse proportion. So, 2 into 3 is equal to x into 1. So, x number of persons equal to what? 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 people are needed if the work should be finished within 1 day. Okay. So, 2 into 3 equal to x into 1, x is equal to 6. Hence, 6 persons will finish the given work in 1 day. Okay. Now, we'll go to the next question. Now, 11th question. A school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. Each period duration is 45 minutes and 8 periods are there. How long would each period take if the school has 9 periods? Okay. Instead of 8 periods, if 9 periods are there, assume the number of school hours to be the same. Okay. So, time starting and ending of the school time is same. But instead of 8 periods, we have introduced 9 periods. So, when the number of periods are increasing, the time for each period decreases. When the number of periods increases, the time taken will be less. Okay, instead of 45, it will be lesser. Okay, so when one is increasing, the other is decreasing. So, inverse proportion. So, let us draw the tabular column. We don't know what is the time. So, if number of periods is 8, the time duration is 45. If the number of periods is 9, we don't know the time. As it is inverse proportion, we will multiply. That is 8 into 45 is equal to 9 into x. And we will find the value of x. So, to find the value of x, you will bring the 9 to the denominator. When you are solving, you will get the answer as 40. So, if it is 9 periods, it will take 40 minutes for each class. Okay. Hence, the duration of the period is 40 minutes. Okay. Now, we will go to the... So, this is the last question. 11th question is the last question, children. Now, we will go to the next chapter. Thank you, children.